Hi luminaries, in this video I'm going to go over what's in your Pom Pom felt dog kit. So first you'll get your loom tool if you order the loom tool with it. So it's going to be the wooden one or the paper one. And FYI, the paper one you could actually draw and paint on as well. You'll have a felting needle. So the way you would use this is pull this out and then you're going to turn this over and go like this and then that. Okay, and then to store it, you just do this, do the reverse, put this end back, and then store it. You have leather thimble. One is for the thumb and one is for the pointing finger, and that's to help protect yourself from poking yourself with this tool, and it actually can hurt. You'll get yarn. Go ahead and wind your yarn onto the tool. You don't even have to count, so that will be enough. And that yarn is, of course, to make your pom pom doggy. Then you'll have roving of different colors. Now it's optional if you want to use these. This is for the tongue, and then these are just for special detail that you might want to put on your dog. And then some extra roving for the ears. If you want to do floppy ears, one thing to recommend is that you might want to just keep a few inches of your yarn here and then use that to make ears. Foam. This foam is for felting your ears and tongues and pieces like that. And then finally, in this, you'll have your embroidery floss to tie your pom-pom. Whoops, let me get this out. Oh, stickier than I thought. This to tie your pom-pom, and then 2 sets of eyes and noses. So you'll get one big set of eyes, one small set, and then a small nose, and then a big nose. Okay, get started. This is super fun craft to make, and I can't wait to see what you make from this kit.